M0F Expert, I want to show you can run this ADMS 10 software without having to use your DC cable, because it's a bit of a pain when you do. So with the battery connected at the moment, go to communications, go to click get data from FT70, and then what it says here is connect the AC adapter. Well, we haven't done that. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to turn on the adapter. So we're going to do that. Remember, there's a battery in now. While the power is on, disconnect the AC. So what I'm going to do is take off the battery. Just sort of loosen the back here. So it goes off basically. You don't need it off. Then while this is a bit fiddly, but hold down the ADMS and now push the battery back on. I didn't do it properly then. When you do it right, it will say AMS. So let's disconnect the battery. Hold down AMS. And now the front says AMS. Let's check, you can see that it says AMS. Just check you can see. So yeah, ADMS. Right, so now you're in that mode. Well, you obviously need to have the right COM port selected, which you just select here in communications or settings. Now it's set. Now I can click OK and then press the band button to receive from the radio. So click OK and I'm going to click band. And look, it's TXing. I'm not using the DC cable like it's told me to. I'll right click device manager and just see if yeah, it's showing it as USB serial COM 17. I'll show you where to find that. So close. So that's read the radio. Now I'll just show you the COM port. Look, communication, COM port, and then you choose 17 and then you click determine and then you've got it. So now how about going the other way? How about transmitting this information to the radio? So adding things, yeah, like so. Just add things, frequencies, 145, etc. You get the idea. You can name it. Make sure you name it in capital letters. But anyway, now we want to send it to the radio. So what we do, we go communication, send data, but this time we click OK, but this time we press the mode button. Watch. Mode. And look. Now it's sending everything to the radio. So we've done this without having to mess around with the extension cable. Why is this better? Because most of us have our DC cable plugged into our cradle charger. And it's a bit of a pain to unplug it and move it all around. Well, this way you don't have to do anything. All you need is the cable that is in the box. So that's close. So let's just show you those instructions again. Get data. So like I said, you turn it on in the normal way with the battery in. Then press and hold the power button for 1 second to turn on. While the power is on, you disconnect the battery. When the battery is off, then you hold down the AMS button, which is bottom left of the radio, and push the battery back on. And it will be in ADMS mode. Once you've done that, you just click OK on the screen and hit the band button to send data from the radio to the PC or laptop program. And if you want to go the other way where you're adding programs, adding channels and sending them to the radio, same process, but you press the mode button. So 7.3, hope this helps. Catch you on air, all the best.